This is a post for Instagram, and I will tell you how you can create it using Canva. Open the Canva and then go to Create a Design at the top right corner. Click on it and choose the Instagram size whiteboard. Now go to the Upload section and then click on Upload Files to import any image you want. For example, I'm choosing this one which perfectly matches our design. Click on Selective Import Image Friends. Now adjust it perfectly, just like I'm doing right now. Now go to the Elements section after adjusting the background picture, and write the shapes in the Elements section. Click on See All Friends, and choose the third one, Shape Friends. And adjust the choosing shape very perfectly like our design. Bingo, like this. Now click on this option to change the shape color, and choose White Color Friends. Now go to Elements section again. Now search the picture frames in the Elements section. Select a circle picture frame and put it on the white shape design. Adjust it perfectly at the top left corner of the white shape, as this is where we'll place our Instagram profile picture in this frame. Go to the Upload section and I will hold this picture and drag it into the frame perfectly. Now go to the Text section, click on Add a Heading, and write the text. Now I will edit this text and write my Instagram profile name at photography page. Now I will adjust this text perfectly close to our profile picture. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, done perfectly. Now go to the Elements section again and search Picture Frame again. Now, this time select this shape because it is perfectly suitable for our image. Now adjust this shape according to the Instagram format, okay guys? Now, go to the Upload section and drag this picture into the frame very professionally. It's the same picture we just put in the background. Now go to the Text section and this time select the third text option. Now, edit this text to 10 minutes ago and adjust this text to the bottom of the profile picture, because it's the time showing that which time our picture has been uploaded. Now, edit this text to 5 minutes ago and adjust this text to the bottom of the profile picture, because it's the time showing that which time our picture has been uploaded. Now click on this option, then go to Text Color and change its color to gray, exactly the same as Instagram's format. Now go to the Elements section again. Then search for Instagram Like and scroll to find the Instagram Like button, and choose this one. And adjust this like button perfectly according to the Instagram format, exactly like this, guys. And now, again search in the Elements section for the Instagram comment button, and choose the one that is accordingly to the Instagram format. And adjust it perfectly accordingly to the Instagram format like I said before, because we are making Instagram post. Now, choose a share icon similar to Instagram style, and after selecting it, adjust it perfectly like we did with the others. Now, choose the last element and select the Instagram Save button, and adjust it perfectly, my Canva designers. Now, go to the Text section, select one of them, and edit the text with our profile name. Now, adjust the profile name under the Reactions button like the Instagram format, and adjust it very perfectly because we want our design to be stylish and realistic. Now, select the third text option for the caption and edit it to say, "This image is on fire." I will add an exclamation mark at the end of the caption and include the hashtag photography as well. Then, our design will be almost ready. Now, our design is complete. Go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file, my friends. Great! Here is our final design. You can create posts for other social media platforms as well, but remember to create the design according to the specific platform's requirements. If you need help with more designs or any other Canva tips, just let me know in the comments, friends.